welcome back to another video. So
we're gonna be on the same account, except for we'll be posting different videos. Look, it's him, and then show me. Okay, so we're going to be
making food and drinks. Done. That's literally it. This is boring, stupid, but I can make Minecraft videos again, guys. Yeah. Alright, guys, let's do this. When we first start off, I'm so sorry. Alright, I'm grabbing the water since I have like no hands holding this camera, so I'll just have to use my foot. Alright, guys, watch out. I got this. Okay. If y'all want, this is me right now. Barely able to do this. Oh my god, this moved. Oh, this water. Oh, the water. Oh. I'm not. Ow, ow. As I right, guys, this is me. Alright, so let's see what we got. Really? Alright. We go make a Mickey. I think I am tired, sorry.
I can't drink eggnog though.
I think this so far expired.
No, it expires in a year.
What? No.
It's on in 2023.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna do this.
You can't have this all the way over here.
Hey, but it's mine. I'm using it.
Vincent,
North. Oh, what else should I get myself? Guys, watch out. Oh my god. Oh! Alright, I'm done posting. Yeah, I'm done. I'm joking. Beep.
Do you like pickles? Do you like pickles?
Our guys are so.
Vincent, do you like pickles?
No! Alright, I'm gonna go give Vicky fish. Because we have like 3 things of fish. And she's really fishy. All the time. She's a fisher fish. Because she's a stupid fish. And one, she don't understand fish language. This one, I don't think she ever will learn fish language. Alright? Now, I have to go give Vicky her stuff. Then I'm going to make her sit down and eat it. And I'm already pretty much done. Vicky! Get out. I'm making my food now.
Get out. I'm making my drink now.
Well, you can't be in here making your drink.
Well, you can't be in here because I'm your first.
No, I actually was.
Stop wasting that water, boy.
I win. Just put a little ice in. The ice looks really, really good. Whew. Die ice. Try not to break the ice. You're gonna hate me inside the comments. I know you guys are. Because because I'm using a spoon to do this. Oh, I know what to do. Sorry, this ice is really hard, Ricky. Oh, no, I grabbed the last ice. I've been eating it. I hide the last ice. Yeah.
Mommy need more ice.
No. And then mix it. All the coldness around. You see how you do that? Sorry guys, that's water going flying across the world. Alright. No looking. Something really good that you like. Guys, be really. She'll love it. Oh, and Vicky, you have to drink your stuff with your eyes closed. Yeah. Well, you have to at least test try it first, right? You have to. Because you have to. No peeking first. That's why I want you to like get your drink ready. Oh yeah, that's gonna be tasty for you. Is that a little goodness? Video good stuff? What? Okay. Yay, it's ready.
Mine's not ready.
Alright.
Yeah, it is. But
You have to eat it with your eyes closed. What? No, I mean you have to drink it with your eyes
I
closed.
also have to eat it with your eyes closed.
Alright, I'll go sit down. No's peeking at my new drink. It's delicious. Alright, guys.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm definitely okay. Speaking gibberish. Quiet.
Why are you speaking gibberish here?
I don't know.
Stop looking at me.
Oh my God.
I'm making your snack. Stop looking at me.
I guess
Go make your snack.
I'm done.
Your snack.
Oh, you looked over at my
I
stuff.
don't know what cup it is. There's 2 of them. Now, Vincent, go make your snack. Now.
Alright, can you drink the whole cup of what I made?
No.
Some kind of juice.
No.
Why?
No.
Oh, you were peeking out when I put in it.
No.
Yeah, you were.
No, I wasn't.
Dude, you're gonna tell right now.
I know you put ketchup.
Ketchup? Why would I put ketchup in it?
Because you're a sabotage.
I would not, I promise. What, inside your drink? No, I wouldn't. Okay. Dude, I put water in, put ice in, crushed it up, mixed it freaking around, and grabbed some juice powder, yellow juice powder, and mixed it all up. So I hit one. So can you at least deal with that?
Right, you one and you can tell me.
Yeah, and Vicky, if you want to do this again, I'm gonna put cheese inside your drink. Yeah, then stop. Alright, let's see. What should I do Vicky for a snack? Oh, I know what to get her. She'll love. looking at my thing. Dude, stop peeking. Stop looking. I'm not looking. You're not looking. Totally. Done baking. I'm not done yet. You can't come back. I'm not. I'm going to sit down. I did it, guys. I did it. I'm finally done. Does this mean I can? We about to play gamer mode, baby. Go back inside the past, guys. Yeah. Hey Vicky, what world should I go to? Yours? Yeah. What is our... I just went to our oldest world and it's pretty lame. Vincent! What world should we... Wait.
You're not even pointing it at the TV screen.
What am I pointing it at?
Right, it was on the opposite side.
Vicky, what world should I go to?
Vincent, I'm ready.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, fine.
Alright. Come. Alright.
I do stuff in the room.
Take my viewer. Take my, guys. I did nothing to your drink. Okay. Let's see it. Do they see who I am? Do they see me?
Okay, they can see. Hold on. Step back. Literally step back, step back.
Oh.
Alright, we're gonna flip it sideways for a minute. Alright, Vincent, so you can look for just 1 second to your left, like this. Just stand right here. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Stop. I had to angle both cameras. First is your snack. Okay, you ready? Swallow it. Swallow it. Just swallow. You have to swallow. Now. Swallow. What? Open your mouth. Vincent, you're gonna get on the floor.
No, not again.
You gonna see what it was? Pudding.
God, give me a towel. No.
I put lemon juice in his pudding. I put lemon juice in his pudding and his drink. Alright. Now, I'm gonna taste your drink. You might already know what it was by the milk and the chocolate. Tastes good?
What did you put in it?
Lemon juice. Straight up.
Alright, now.
Lemon juice.
Alright, let's go. Close your eyes.
On both of them. I put Lego.
Close your eyes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Close your eyes. You're coming with me right now. You're over. Stop peeking.
Look, I'm not peeking.
Close your eyes, I said. Close them. Stop peeking. I see your eyes.
Okay, face my viewers thing. Oh, we're trying to draw that on the floor.
Alright. I got these things. No, no. Give it 1 minute.
I'm trying to sit up.
No. This way.
Oh.
Whoa. Sit.
You have to have the chair facing at me. On both of them.
Alright, what one do you want to try first? The drink or the food?
You have to have both the cameras facing at me.
Yeah, I do. What one would you like to taste first?
Hold on. Vincent, they're not facing both at me.
I don't know how. Let me just scoot this.
I'm sorry, stupid.
Alright. What one do you want to taste first? The drink or the food? No, I'm looking at you looking my drink. Alright, close those eyes. What one would you like to try first?
The food. I know it's cereal. I'm scared to taste anything first. Are you eating right here?
I'm eating your pudding. Yeah, this is good. Alright, do you ready to taste my drink? Alright, here's your drink. You must swallow. I'm gonna let you swallow this. No, I got it. That's the drink. I put a spoon in. Drink it. Vicky? No, no. Dude, I'm not doing this if you don't open up your mouth.
I feel like you put something in this.
I did.
Is this water?
Yeah.
Well, let me smell it.
No, just taste it.
Okay.
Stop. No, I'm not.
Only
no.
a little.
No, let me give you a drink. It'll be quick, easy.
No.
Alright, I'm not playing.
Only a little.
No, I'm done.
A scoop.
No. Alright, I'm quitting my video right now.
No, stop, for real.
No. Let me give you a drink.
Sir, this is not water.
It says taste it.
Fine. I'm scared.
I'm not telling you anything in this.
I'm scared.
Do you see what's at the bottom?
I can't see the bottom.
That did really good at the
Oh my god, what is that?
You were fine with this.
I already know it's mustard. I smelled it.
No. Vicky. It was water mixed with pumpkin. Mixed with mustard. I said, it's water mixed with the pumpkin.
What? Show me.
Chopped up at the bottom of it. Oh, yeah. I can pull it out. Not with my hand. Oh, I think I... Here. No.
Vincent! How many did you use?
One. Only one. I don't know. Well, how did it taste? After I saw you spit it out like a dummy. Vicky, you went. Was it good?
No.
Yeah, guys, I pranked her! Baby!